What if I told you this giant bird can't fly, but it can outrun most humans? Meet the emu, the second largest bird on Earth after the ostrich. It can't fly, but it makes up for it by running at 50 kilometers h. Their legs are so strong, a single kick can injure a predator. And their feet, they've only got 3 toes built for speed. Even weirder, male emus do all the parenting, incubating the eggs and raising the chicks alone. Nature's full of surprises. Subscribe for more wild animal facts every day.